John's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something for the summer months. Nongshim. Nongshim means farmer's heart. Did you know that? Nongshim. It's Bibimen with a different kind of noodle, but it's like... It came in an umai crate, and they called it Fururu cold noodle. That might be the Japanese term. Most of this is in Japanese. They do have a factory in Japan. Yep. So... basically, cook for 3 minutes, drain, rinse with cold water, add in the seasoning sachet contents, stir, garnish, and enjoy. So, yeah, it's cold noodle week here at the Ramen. So, our water is boiling, and it's for 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Here's the noodle block. Check it out. I think it's like rice and buckwheat. I can't remember. In it goes. On it goes. And then there's this large sachet of sauce. Everybody loves sauce. I turn it on, yeah. So, what's going on? Yesterday, I decided to go insane. I did over 50,000 steps yesterday, which I think came to like 23 miles. Yeah. My old record was I got a badge for doing 40,000 steps. But yesterday I got one for doing 45 and one for doing 50. So that's cool. The nose isn't cool, but whatever. And let's see what else. Still we got nice weather. Very tired. Ready for my nap. Always ready for my nap. And yeah, I'm beat. I got up at like 2:30 this morning. Didn't really do much of anything for the last 2 videos, so I had to like take all the raw images, put everything all together, make the post from all the way from the beginning. And then I went really fast and got 2 more ready, which I am doing right now. And then I did, so is it starting at about 6:15? I started doing apartment laps, which only worked for so long as the children awoke. And the children are woke, I think. They were happen to be just being awake. Yeah. Trump's been going after Elijah Cummings. That's in poor taste, Mr. President. But he's kind of good at the poor taste things. Yeah. Summer months noodles. It sounds good. I did some other South Korean noodles the other day that were cold, and I enjoyed them thoroughly, so I'm hoping I'm gonna like this one too. To be honest, I have had this one before. However, it was I don't know if it was made in the US or it was the import. Because I went down and I hung out with the nice folks at Nongshim, America in 2012. I want to go back so bad. I think that'd be rad. I really want to see, because when I went down there, they said that they were going to be doing a, they were going to make more lines, and so they could produce more noodles. I'd like to see that. They have a very, rinse with cold water means turn on cold water and rinse the noodles with it. Oops, it's easy to forget. I will be totally easy and happy to admit that I have forgotten before, and I've eaten warm cold noodles, and that's really not what I want to do things the right way. I only forgot for a minute. I saved it. Don't get all crazy on me here. Don't be saying things. Not polite. But yeah, Nongshim is a neat place, and they have factory tours. And we got to go on like a private one, and it was just awesome. What a lot of people don't know about instant noodle factories is they're like laboratories. They are, well, all the ones I've had the fortune of being at, they are clean as clean can be. Like, they have the floors painted green, a certain shade of green, because it's like if something gets dropped on the floor, that shade shows up things that get dropped on the floor better than any other color. And it just had all these little different things that were like, wow, okay, wow, whoa, really, whoa, hey, wow. Just like cranking out the noodles. Alright, and here, our noodle is done. So let's give it a try. The Umai crate pamphlet mentioned that it was sour, sweet, and spicy. I get more of a bittersweet and spicy, but almost maybe a sour too. I don't know. Very good, very good. And I like the noodle too. Just for the sake of logic, these kind of noodles, 2 cross cuts with a fork to make them more manageable. You're cutting the noodles with scissors. Actually, I've seen that done many times at Korean restaurants. But yeah, see? That's good. Makes me want to go outside. It is sunny. I think it's in the upper 70s, maybe close to 80. With a bowl of this cold noodle. And relax and enjoy in the sun. And enjoy it and relax because it is cold. The noodle, that is, not the sun. So, what are we going to throw in this one? Well, this one, let's see. This gets kind of tricky. Here, let's get it more in the middle. Maybe that. This we're going to use carrot. Cucumber. That combo for this stuff is wonderful. Oh my god, it's so good. And there's some eggy wig and some ham. Why are you using ham? Because it's pretty commonly used with this dish, I'm pretty sure. It's ham lunch meat, and it works well. I guess technically I could have used chashu, but... And I guess since it's from Japan, at least I'm pretty sure they still have a Japanese factory, and this would come from that. I guess chashu would have been slightly more fitting, but I prefer not. I'll go with this. And just a little smidge of yeah. There we go. Oh. And I have a little bit of spring onion for the tippy top. There. So it's a cold noodle. It's kind of a salady kind of affair, but it's, one thing's for sure, it's super good. I really dig it. All right. Oh. Well, I hope you're enjoying your summer as much as I'm enjoying mine. That was pretty crazy. I walked 23 miles yesterday. Whew. Alright, it's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, and bye!